beautiful day here in the Seaside Heights, and going to walk down the boardwalk. And what's going on back there? What what happened back there?
He didn't want it.
Oh, he flew away. Trying to feed pigeons, but they don't want to eat, so we'll feed somebody else. Early morning hours here. Early morning. Well, it's like 10 o'clock, I guess. Maybe it's 10 o'clock in the morning here, but just walking down the boardwalk. I don't know. A few people behind me, a few people in front of me. People just walking, having a good time, enjoying the peace and quiet of the... Why am I out of breath? I don't know. Peace and quiet of the early day, and we're just going to walk around, and there's some teddy bears. It's Seagull Sunday! Gotta get down on Seagull Sunday! Gonna have some fun. Seagull Sunday! Gotta get down on Sunday! Seagull Sunday! Gotta get down on Sunday! Wait for the weekend! For some reason the seagulls don't come down this way. Maybe if I sing Seagull Sunday. That's right, it's the Shore Store. That's right, where those wacky kids sold t-shirts from Jersey Shore. That's right, in front of the Jersey Shore house. Yeah, seen it 100 times. Let's keep moving. Keep it moving. Seen enough of that Jersey Shore house. Snooky and J-Well, all them crazy kids. Right, this is where the Big Top Arcade is, and the building like a little shopping market thingy. Here we are in the Coin Castle. That's right, Coin Castle right here on the boardwalk in Seaside Heights. And what are we going to do now?
Visiting the Coin Castle.
What are they, Easter eggs?
It's Easter time, so I think they're...
Seagull Sunday, gotta get down on Seagull Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday, the day before was Friday, I think. Read that, yeah, future home of Steaks Unlimited, and now we're going to, this is the future home of Steaks Unlimited right here, and we'll show you where the old Steaks Unlimited is. But this is the future home of Steaks Unlimited, coming soon! This is the original Steaks Unlimited. It's going to move across the street to over here. And if you remember, the original Steaks Unlimited were Tommy and the cheese balls. Remember Tommy? He went, "I want the cheese balls." Tommy and the cheese balls. You know, Steaks Unlimited. What am I babbling about? Right now, because they're gonna build a house here. There's a little hole in the ground here, and we'll watch the process of this house being built. And anyway, we'll see how that turns out.